What's going on, everybody? So it's Effort Friday today, and a couple weeks ago I told Jackson, my coworker, that he could come over and we would try to get a pre-made bumper kit on that bad boy. Told him I don't know how long it's going to take. We'll get into it Friday night and then we'll just wrap it up Saturday, but I got a wedding reception tomorrow too, so we really got to wrap it up. Or we can get it most of the way done and finish it next week. It's not gonna matter. So, hello, Jackson.
How's it going?
Apple's going, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna get me to drink one of these apple beers. No, I'm not gonna do a review on that, but anyway, we're just gonna check in on this right now and update you in a little bit, maybe around dinner time or welding time, or we'll get a few pieces on it. It might take us 4 hours to figure out what we're doing with a pre-made kit. Who knows? If it's that bad, I probably won't check back in. So, all right. How long will this take us?
Hour 30.
Okay. He hit. What did you hit?
Post.
Oh, post, not a deer. I thought a deer ran out in front of him.
Nah, just a little post. I skated off the freeway.
Fuck you, okay. Anyway, we got it for what we could with a jacked up thing going on over here. We're gonna get a little bit of welding done tonight, maybe a bit more, we'll see, and then wrap her up tomorrow. No paint or anything. And then he wants welds exposed, so he told me that Uncle Goober better keep his ass home and weld this shit nice. Does that mean like a 30 pack in me?
I brought one.
Anyway, so I'm gonna get to welding on this thing. You don't want to watch all that. It's pretty stupid to watch somebody weld, and hopefully Uncle Goober doesn't come out. Eyeballs.
Yep. Yep.
Eyeballs.
Yep. Alright, it's the next morning. We're getting the bumper all welded up together, so it'll be nice. But yeah, how do you think it went?
Not bad.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm running parts for him right now while he welds for me. But yeah, shortly it'll be here done.
All right, so it's been 2 months since we did the bumper. How long?
Yeah, it was late September.
Okay, so Jackson took it home, painted it, stole some lights from his dad, threw them in there, got some marker lights put in, and he has gone on a hunting trip, and it hasn't fallen off yet. He hasn't land-basted a deer, but
I went all the way to Canada with this thing on.
Oh, and Canada.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Oh, I hella like it, man. Actually, it levels out my stance quite a bit from where it was. I just need to get it all. I need to go get my tires rotated and shit like that.
Cool.
So.
And then, oh, that way when you when you had the canopy on, it was level, huh?
Yeah.
Or the camper.
Yeah.
So he had a bitchin' little camper that goes in there, and that leveled it right up, so it looked pretty good.
Yeah, and I got 2 sandbags in there now, and I'll probably grab another one just to
so I don't slip.
So you're spinning around town.
Yeah.
I had an incident Saturday night getting on 500.
Fuck.
And we went totally sideways, by the way. That was fun. Anyway, so good reviews on that bumper. I kind of liked the kit and how easy it was. So
amazing.
Instead of making my own, I can make my own. Jesus, people have done the work. Just go pay the money and have it done. And then I'll put it on probably, well, I don't know when I'll get to it. I got a lot of other stuff to spend money on. So that's just some closure on the bumper. He likes it. Pretty good review. Throw a link in the video for that one, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.